Tower, in this case that of the glacier.
See, when you have people up there, that's where we were earlier. There's the crow's nest up there.
Earlier this morning, a few rangers from the Glacier Bay National Park boarded the Koningsdam for our tour into the bay. While they're setting up shop here in the crow's nest, let's talk about where we are and what we're about to see today. The Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve is a vast and stunning protected area located in southeastern Alaska. It is situated in the Panhandle of Alaska and covers an area of over 3.3 million acres. It is bordered by the Gulf of Alaska to the west and Canada's British Columbia to the south. The park is named for its numerous glaciers, including the Grand Pacific Glacier and the Margerie Glacier, two of which we're going to see today. The Tlinga people have a deep cultural connection to the area, and there are opportunities to learn about their history and traditions in the park. The Huna Tlinga community in particular has a strong presence in this region. Most of the park is only accessible by boat, kayak, or cruise ship. We are very fortunate enough to be aboard the Koningsdam for a chance to see the park's iconic glaciers and wildlife from the water. Now let's get this tour started.
Good morning, everybody. You're here for the ranger welcome. You're in the right spot. We're looking forward to a fantastic day in Glacier Bay with you all.
So we just finished having breakfast. Eggs Benedict was great. We had the banana bread, French toast. That was yummy. Being on the right side, facing forward, I know there's a technical term, but I knew that we'd be lucky enough that we don't have to pile up with everybody else and look at these glaciers. We can just sit here in our room and enjoy right here. So we just got back from being out on the bow of Deck 5. I want to show you now why you get the balcony room. And I was looking, I wanted to be on the right side. And the ship is now turning and everything is now going to be visible from our room. So this is something you want to do. Without a doubt, balcony room worth every penny. You get to sit here by yourself or with someone and enjoy this. And we still have Margerie, which is even bigger. You can hear the ranger talk from several areas on the ship. One being, if you're sitting at your balcony, you can hear him. So it's really nice. So you're not missing out on anything. You get to hear everything as you're entering the different glaciers and wildlife areas. There's chunks of camp in there.
And you got chunks of hair in there too.
It all of a sudden got windy. It wasn't windy out here when I was out here like an hour ago.
Here, let me.
Third time's a charm. Pea soup. Mango margarita as we're heading towards Margerie Glacier.
Ooh, almost there.
So how perfect is that? Get a margarita and see Margerie. How many times in your life can you say, I drank margarita, I'm watching the glacier, sitting in Alaska, on a balcony, on a cruise?
I don't know, at least once a day for the last 5 days.
How often can you say?
Probably done it 5 times.
So what'd you think about that?
Yeah, that was cool. I like the, I just like sitting out there, looking at the glaciers. You know, it reminds me of the Columbia Gorge and all our area. And it was, you know, something we'll never ever see again. No one will ever see it again because
It's going to change. It changes every day.
It's always, it's fluid. It's always constantly moving. And it literally is fluid, you know, just frozen. As it's receding from the front, you know, some of them are actually growing from the back. So it's like, you're not really losing anything. It's shifting.
This won't be visible in like another 100 years.
Right,
or
yeah, because where
140 years.
we were at, like say 200 years ago, right now, it was
all the way
one
out.
glacier. It was one glacier.
You couldn't go
Yeah.
into the passage
Yeah.
200 years ago.
Yeah, it's nice
Yep.
to sit out there and just relax.
Yep.
And not worry about anything.
Yep.
Yep. Especially where your cocktails are coming from in your food.
Yes, please.
Oh, certainly.
Thank you.
All right, very good, thank you.
And then, so we finally made it to tea time. We missed the first tea time. So now I've heard about tea time. Little sandwiches, little treats, and of course, tea.
There's sake. That was good.
So lychee.
So where do the lychees come from?
I don't remember fingertips. Fingertips. Go watch the Hawaiian Hilo video we did a couple months back.
Hilo Bay Cafe.
Hilo Bay Cafe. Oh, I told him to get this. You're gonna like it. It's good. Really good. Thank you, Samson. Good.
Did you all have a good time in Glacier Bay today? Wasn't it amazing? We had great weather, which doesn't quite often happen. The Step One Dance Company is going to be performing Humanity. Now, out of all the shows that we do here on this stage, this one by far is the one not to miss.
They say the first year preparing was the hardest. It's not assuming that prepares, it's nearly impossible.
Hey, we didn't wrap up last night. So basically the Humanity show, Humanity was amazing. The Humanity show was great.
It was a good show. We had you know, the dancers and the graphics and the lights and all the stuff, and so it worked out pretty good. It was pretty painless.
Looking at all the glaciers was incredible. We spent a whole day going to various glaciers and having a great view when you have a balcony room where you can just go sit and relax and watch the glaciers and take photos and just, so that was incredible. Saw some otters, saw some eagles. So yesterday was a great day. So please hit like and hit notifications, hit the notification bell, because we are now in our next destination. You can hear in the background, there's a big show in town.
They're cheering for us. They're ready. They're ready for us.
Only in
we better
this
get
town.
on stage.
You can hear them. So we are actually on our next destination. So hit notifications, hit that bell so you can see where we are next.
All right, let's get rambling.